Hold on. Hello guys. So I have created a credits room in Infinite Ikea from Roblox. Yes, I am on day 1000. It took me so long, but here is the credit room. We got a huge employee. Actually, I'm only on day 1000 because I said it too. Huge employee. Huge noob. Uh-oh. Hold on. Time menu. 1. Alright. A huge builder, man. That's a weird face, anyways. And all the people that I think were the people that created this game. But if there's anyone that hasn't worked on this game, it doesn't matter. Everyone matters. No matter who you are or what you've done. You matter. Everyone matters. We've got the rock. And that's basically it. But honestly, these are beautiful people who worked on this game. Especially this person. He worked on this entire game. And the game that would let you create this. So. But I just want to say thank you to the people who have created this game. This is out to the people who created this game. And I recognized, well, I remembered, I've never seen a credit room anywhere. In the entire, oh, shoot, well, never mind. But this is just a credit room, not credit page. So, it doesn't matter who you are, what you've done, you matter. You are a perfect person. And that's basically it. Unless you would like for me to spawn in a couple of things. Like I don't know. Also, there is a ceiling to Infinite Ikea. Weapons. Bargain bin. Let's put it right here. And then let's spawn in a couple of weapons. Bomb. Now, this doesn't look like a regular bomb, so just gonna do that, do that, do that. Alright. And, I don't know what else to do. What should I do? Ooh, wait. Half-Life. This is definitely a Half-Life reference. I'm just kidding. I don't really think anybody knows about Half-Life right now. It's an old game. Pretty much no one remembers about it. But it doesn't matter. Valve, I honestly think you should make a sequel. Well, you already have created a sequel to it. But like, another one, like a third game. I honestly think you should. And we're just gonna put a drone. Right about here. There you go, it's flying. It looks like it's flying, at least. Let's get a GameCube. There you go. And then let's get a footstool. Now we're not gonna use this for foot, but we're gonna use it for if I can find it. Huh. Can't. Where'd it go? Ah, TV. We're gonna use it for a TV. Turn it on. And then we're gonna get a couple of things. Let's get some fish crackers, or well, goldfish. Put it right here. There you go. Because you always want a snack while you're gaming. Let's put some chocolate. Well, like I said, you're always gonna want a snack while you're gaming. What? Oh, I thought the music changed. And then, what else should we put? Candy corn. I know people say that candy corn sucks, but it's not that bad. Honestly, I think it's not that bad. It does kind of get tiring after you eat it a lot, but, you know, it kind of does suck, but doesn't at the same time. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Where's the time? Okay. 1. Okay. Spawn menu. No, this isn't the TV that I'm looking for. So, if I'm looking for if there's a TV that I'm not looking for, then I just throw it. It's simple as that. What the? Revenge of the TVs! Anyways, I think I should get a regular TV. I'm looking for one of the TVs with an image. Okay, let's spawn into. Nope. Nope. Or maybe it's too bright to see, I don't know. Nope. Nope. Come on, just give me one. Nope. Where are the TVs with images? Let me check in VIP. There's nothing. Nothing at all. There's a jar. A dynamic. Huh. Seriously is nothing. Oh, a burger car. That's funny. Wait, weren't the TVs up here? Nope, I think they were more down here. Yeah. Let's just spawn in a few. Nope. 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 Nopers. Man, I can't find any. Well, I guess that's fine. But, yeah. That's basically it. So, What should I do? I honestly do not know what to do right now. Wish this was a live stream so I could see what y'all are saying. But I can't live stream yet. And that is exactly why I need y'all to subscribe. I need 50 subscribers so I can live stream. But, anyways, to the people that are subscribed, thanks. I don't think there's any on the mini TVs, right? I think it's rare. I think they're rare. I've seen them before. I've even done it. Nope, not many TVs. Here are the TVs. No! No! Got anything? Nope. You got anything? Nope. 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 No. Oh. Okay. There you go. Just a GameCube playing this. That's pretty surprising though. A standing up banana? That I would be surprised too. Well, we achieved our mission. And yes, this video is targeted more towards the people that created this game. So, thank you. And, that's it. See ya.